I am well aware that there was a plan which was supported both by the ex-Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar ji and by late Matani Saldanha. Now, both these personalities believed in humanity. They were not the ones who brought these slum dwellers to Goa. They were there. But seeing the conditions under which they were living, and also seeing that their huts were sprawled all over, taking over so much land, they felt that it would be better if there was a scheme, as is in many states. In fact, I have visited similar quarters in the state of Maharashtra. It was decided that similar housing facility could be provided to some of these people wherever possible, and wherever land is available, so that these people could be housed and area also could be made vacant. Area could be made vacant, land could be made vacant, and at the same time people could be allowed to live as human beings. We all believe in God, okay? And God has created all of us. And if we respect God, then we have to also think of these people as human beings. So the plan was to serve two goals. One is to allow these people to live in human conditions, and also to get back the land which is being occupied by the housing that was sprawled all over, that is sprawled all over in Zuarinagar. Issue of gutters. These are old gutters. Maybe they are 10 years old or so. Okay. Now the panchayat members have been asking for permission to repair the gutters from the Kumnidad authority. Now they are not asking the Kumnidad authority to give them fresh land to construct gutters. They are only asking permission to repair the gutters. Now this is very, very important. Why is it important? Because especially in the monsoon seasons, the gutters overflow. The water from these gutters enters into the houses of the people, and I have seen with my eyes in the last monsoon session, people and children walking in the house in ankle deep water. Most of these houses have power connections. There can be some kind of electrical mishap. An accident can take place. Deaths can occur. Is it fair to allow these people to live like this? No, it is not. My conscience does not allow me. I am not asking for new land to construct gutters. I am only asking for permission. I am asking the Kumnidad to allow these panchayats to repair the gutters, the existing gutters. And I hope this will be done. But at the same time, I think I will appeal to the higher authorities to intervene for this, so that these gutters are put in place and this water from the gutters does not flow into the houses.